Angie in real life. Angie in real life with one L. I am your host. And your purpose.
You can tell it's tension in the air. You can tell.
Hush out. Here's what you gotta do. Hit the bus starter and coming too. Hi guys, and welcome to Kitchen Cooks Connection. I am your host Angie, and today we are making fried shrimp and fish with some french fries. And here are the ingredients. We have shrimp that are peeled, deveined, and clean. They are the 10-15 count, so they're pretty nice size. We deveined them and we left the tip on it. These are porgies. I could have split them, but I didn't want to split them. So we have a total of 24 shrimp. So I'm going to do 3 batches, 8 in each batch, and the fish I'm going to do separate. So I know you see all this yellow stuff all over the place. That is mustard. So what I did was I seasoned them with French's mustard. I sprinkle a little Old Bay seasoning, some Morton salt, and we also use black pepper. Somewhere around here, black pepper is what we did. What we have here is a shallow frying pan that has vegetable oil that I am heating up to a temperature of 350. My favorite Tefal frying pan. Shout out to Tefal. So moving on to the coating. We are coating it with an egg wash. In this egg wash, I put the same ingredients. I put salt, pepper, a little Old Bay. We are using Audrey's fish fry, which is already seasoning. So I lightly season this, but you know we like flavor. So try to put seasoning in each layer. So that's what this is here. And then we have plain panko crumbs, breadcrumbs. 4C plain breadcrumbs mixed with some panko, what I had left in the cabinet. So I put a little of all the seasoning in there too, which is the Old Bay, salt, pepper, and that as well. So what I'm going to do is I am going to dip it in the egg wash. I'm going to dip it in this flour first, is what I'm going to do. Then I'm going to dip it in the egg wash. Then I'm going to dip it in the panko breadcrumbs, and then we're going right for the gusto. And we're going to do that. I think what I'm going to do is get 8 ready so I can have a batch, and then we'll come right back. I'll show you one time so you guys know when you make this recipe what to do. So you want to take your shrimp that's already seasoned. You want to dip it in the and I'm using my hand for now, but once that thing get wet in the egg white, I'm gonna have to toss it in the let me know if you guys ever. This is my first time making fried shrimp from scratch. Then we're going to dip it in the egg wash. And I got my tongs somewhere around here. And we're going to turn it over. And we're going to turn that one over. It depends on how crunchy you want it. Drip off the excess. Season it in every layer. Now you can use flour if you want to use flour, but make sure your flour has seasoning in it. This shrimp, this is the seafood breader, so it's already seasoned, and I've used it before. It's actually their fish fry. They have a seafood breader, but they were out of it. And see, I did a double dip on that one. So really, it needs to go back in this one again. Let it drain off, and then into the panko. So if you want extra crispy, then do a double dip on your flour. If you want an extra crispy, do a double decker, and I'm gonna do 8 of these and get ready to drop my first batch, and I'll be back. Guys, our oil is at 350, and you're gonna drop them in as quickly as you can. Space them out. And give them about a minute each. I think it was a good idea to leave a little tip on there, because that helps with handling them. Alright guys, we're going in for a minute, and while those are frying, we're going to go ahead and work on the next batch. These are nice and golden. Yeah. I'm excited to taste them, guys. A little bit browner. We want that golden brown. And as you can hear, the oil is slowly simmering down. The food talks to you. And that's how you can tell that they are about ready to come out. Golden brown color. And shrimp don't take that long to cook. Remember, your grease is at 350, or your oil. Now, as I get the next batch ready, you want to bring that temperature back up to 350. Don't just throw it in there. Get that temp back up to 350. I'll be right back. Last batch of shrimp are in. Those are the ones that are already finished. And then we're going to have a side of Old Bay seasoned French fries that we are putting in the air fryer. Also, we are going to add some hush puppies and a side of coleslaw. Be right back. Okay guys, here is the final product. Fresh fried shrimp, fresh fried fish, hush puppies, and Old Bay seasoned French fries with coleslaw, which is not pictured. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If there is a recipe that you would like for me to try, please put it in the comment section below. Y'all, the food was very, very, very delicious, very crunchy and fresh. And if you really like this video, feel free to give me a super thanks. Again, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, all things are created with you in mind. What you make happen for others, gotta make happen for you. So next video, see ya.